So beautiful, already looking so beautiful.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hey guys, good morning. It's day 12 and we are in Phuket. And it's a beautiful morning. And we are here at the Big Buddha. It is just amazing. We have
It does look like the Great Buddha.
yeah, it does look like a great Big Buddha. We've just reached and बहुत सुबह है. We decided to wake up early. तभी ऐसे मैं सोया हुआ type का लग रहा हूँ. But yeah, we are here and just let you guys, we won't say anything. आप लोग भी देखोगे हमारे साथ कितना amazing लगता है. And baby is here.
Guys, अगर आपने too early. अगर आपने
Too early for hand.
कल वाला वीडियो देखा होगा तो you know how much we've slept.
Yes, we barely slept. And
we wanted to come here early.
yeah, because the sunrise and all the beautiful, it's just like scenery होती है ना, scenery मतलब हम कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं बोल रहे. They haven't paid us to like promote, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. But it's just beautiful, just amazing. The beaches, the mountains.
This is the beautiful entrance to the Great Buddha. We were very surprised to see that so many different gods, no matter what religion, are honored here. Among all these amazing statues, we found Ganpati Baba and Durga Ma, and it made us extremely happy. As you may or may not know, Ganpati Baba is worshipped throughout Thailand. We also spotted some gods from the Chinese culture and many other Southeast Asian cultures.
It just looks surreal, beautiful.
The best part about coming at 6 a.m. there is no one and you can do you can take so many shots, videos, everything you want. This looks like a very beautiful sea view, but wait for the real. Oh god,
Yeah,
I died.
real crap.
This is the real view. This is beautiful. I literally died, but it's okay. It's a beautiful view. हम लोग ऊपर आ गए हैं. Looks really nice.
Once you reach the top of the Big Buddha, you will be mesmerized by the view. There is a beautiful collision between the mountains and the ocean. This was the first time we were experiencing something like that, and we were both static.
Beaches, mountains. So this is the place, guys. Big Buddha Phuket. I think यहाँ काम वगैरह चल रहा है, इसका रेनोवेशन, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली बहुत ज़रूरी है मेंटेनेंस वगैरह. Yes, the view from here. बार बार बोल के आप लोगों को पका रहा हूँ प्रॉब्ली, बट ट्रस्ट मी, अगर आप में से कोई भी यहाँ पे होता तो वो यही बोलता. It's just freaking amazing. Wow. The sea does not end. दूर तक भी. मेरा जैकेट और वो उठा के खाना ढूंढ रहा था, ये ऐसे की तैसी। अच्छा हमारा ट्राईपॉड और वो नहीं ले गया, नौटंकी बच गया। I was like, dude. ये वही जैकेट है जो भी मंकी ने थैंक गॉड वो नहीं ले गया।
हमें ब्रेकफास्ट भी करना है
और अब हम जा रहे हैं अपने होटल क्योंकि हमें ब्रेकफास्ट करना है, क्योंकि केवल 10:30 से ब्रेकफास्ट लगता है। अमेजिंग ब्रेकफास्ट वो लोग बनाते हैं तो वो हम मिस नहीं करना चाहते। सो लेट्स गो, चेक दिस आउट गाइस।
आई डोंट नो पेपर टाइम में भी लव नोट लिखती। आई थिंक हम बहुत जल्दी आए हैं तो हमें कोई पेपर नहीं मिलेगा। देखो वहाँ।
अच्छा लव नोट लिखने का है।
अमन एंड रैंजी फॉरएवर।
चले
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
well, obviously. And who will tell कि वो सामान भी चोरी करते हैं। Maybe be careful यार। L vows for good luck and healthy 32 organs. Wow.
How are you doing?
As you can tell from our face, we're very tired. हम लोग होटल वापस आए and we passed out. हमारे पास थोड़ा सा टाइम है. We need to pack.
कितना टाइम है?
Not even 30 minutes. And we need to. And that's what we're gonna do. We have arrived to our next property. It is Andamandra Resorts and Hotel. I think resort and spa. It looks like a very beautiful property. So I booked this property because I wanted Aman and I to relax, and that's literally the reason why I booked this.
Guys, we are going to our room and इसके लिए भी यहाँ पे इन्होंने एक कार रखी है ले जाने
That's
के लिए।
cute. It's cute. I guess हमारा रूम पार है.
So यही फायदा होता है लग्जरी प्रॉपर्टी बुक करने का. So at least you should, you know, book a nice luxury resort.
तो आज हमारा इतना कुछ टूरिंग अराउंड का काम नहीं है. Today our job is to just relax, because this was the main thing to do about this property, is to relax and to enjoy and to actually celebrate our honeymoon. Celebrate
yeah,
our honeymoon. Guys, Aman and I are dressed up super casual. Abhi we both are going for a late lunch. Actually, I think it will be like coffee/lunch, because lunchtime is
More of like a
snack. But I actually want to find a nice coffee shop.
Yeah.
Like I want to have a nice coffee, like hot coffee, but like
Hot
good,
coffee.
and like some snacks. That
And
would
we'll
be
show you
nice.
around. Please
Yeah.
ऐसे हिलाओ मत कैमरा.
हम लोग हिल पे हैं.
Guys, just look at this. So amazing. Exploring is still on in Phuket. And we are at this amazing beach right now, which is called Kamala beach. They call it Kamala, I think. And Ranji obviously अपनी umbrella के साथ है, थोड़ी बारिश हो रही है. It's just amazing. I've never seen something so beautiful.
What about me?
After you, obviously after you.
मेरे बीच दिखाओ.
वो दिखा दिया. And obviously, pretty chickens here with their umbrella. How are you feeling?
It's raining.
Looking at this view, you don't like it?
Ah, the view is scary.
Alright, let me go there.
Ah, बाबू. मैं उड़ रही हूँ umbrella के साथ. So, this is kind of becoming our routine. We are going to the gym. We're gonna work out a little bit and then we'll go out at night again. Stairs chalna is like gym. Kya? What nonsense. I'm so tired. Wish we could be doing this instead. But my husband is a fitness freak, so we have to work out. Guys, it is night time and we are going for a mini ride. So this is gonna be fun. Oh, we should get snacks. Can you believe it? We found a vegetarian place in Phuket and it's so good because it's Saturday. We cannot eat non-veg today. And
So if you guys, if you are vegetarian, if you come in Phuket, so you should definitely come to this place, Sri Ganesha True Vegetarian Restaurant, Phuket. So we ordered a masala dosa and it's here.
yeah, looks good. Come on, babe, do the taste test. Okay. Sambar. Guys, we're gonna finish our vlog now because Aman and I are gonna sit here next to the beach at night, have some popcorn and just chill. Just like chill. So guys, good night.
Have fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So much love.